Okay.
Today's topic.
So today we are going to start new topic, that is mask. Okay, it's another very important topic. So let me select the images.
Megal. అమ్మాయిలో ఉన్నా సార్.
Just wait a minute.
సార్ బ్రైట్నెస్ కొంచెం తక్కువ చేసాం.
Yeah. So now see.
సార్ బ్రైట్నెస్ కొంచెం తక్కువ చేయండి.
Brightness. Why it's too bright?
స్క్రీన్ బ్రైట్నెస్ సార్.
Everybody brightness is too much. For everybody. Here it is.
ఎవరు లైట్ అన్న ఆఫ్ చేయండి.
Turn off the lights. There it is.
లైట్ ఆఫ్ చేసి లైట్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. అది కాదు మామ ఇది. సార్ ఏం సార్ మీ దగ్గరనే ఉంది సార్ ఇది.
Okay.
తక్కువ చేయండి సార్ బ్రైట్నెస్.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా చాలు మేనేజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే రైట్. సో నౌ సి విల్ సి వాట్ ఈస్ our mask. See, mask means to hide some areas and to show some areas. So that is the idea of mask. Mask has only two colors. One is black, another is white. Black will hide areas, white will show areas. Okay. So how we can use mask in Photoshop actually, means what is the purpose of mask? So we can create a number of things. Like for example, this image is there. Here we have a girl with candle. So we can actually create an illusion like this girl is appearing from these clouds, like that. And mask is very much used in poster design, and also in matte painting, and photo manipulation, and in lot of movie posters they use mask techniques. Okay, so
ఫోటో పోస్టర్స్ కి మొత్తం ఫోటోషాపే కదా వాట్సాప్.
Yeah. So just a minute. Just write down this point. Hello. Yeah, tell me. She please call me at 2 o'clock now. I'm a little bit busy. I'm in office. Okay. Yeah. Okay, right. Okay. So online students, are you writing this?
మరి పక్కన పెట్టేసాను ఇప్పుడు.
సార్ రాస్తున్నాం సార్.
బా ఏంట్రా బాబు. ఎంతమంది వచ్చేసారు ఆన్లైన్లోకి?
హాఫ్ కంటే ఎక్కువనే ఆన్లైన్లోనే ఉన్నట్టు. నాకు తెలిసి 1 2 3 4 5 ఆర్ ఆఫ్లైన్.
సార్ రికార్డింగ్ అలా పెట్టకుండా మాటనే పెట్టు సార్. రికార్డింగ్ అలా పెట్టకుండా మాకే పెట్టండి.
నా ఛానల్లో వచ్చిందంటే ఎవరైనా చూడగలుగుతారు. అయితే అది పబ్లిక్ అని పెట్టకపోతే అప్పుడు స్పెసిఫిక్ ఓన్లీ నాకు కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళకి పెట్టచ్చు. Okay.
ఒక్క సెకండ్ సార్ లైక్ చేసి రివ్యూ చేశారు సార్ లాస్ట్ టైం అయితే
Correct. Right. Okay. Now see. Okay, I will open again, don't worry. Right, see here. So to apply mask, so first we will see how to apply mask. So to apply mask, first thing you have to do is, see, we will turn the foreground and background color to black and white. So simply you have to hit D. D is black and white. Okay. Next is, see here, we are applying mask to this layer, to this girl's layer. Okay. So we can apply mask in two ways. One way is, see, you can go to the layer panel, layer menu, and here we have an option layer mask. And in layer mask we have two options, reveal all and hide all. Okay, reveal all and hide all. Okay, another way is, you can apply mask from this layers panel. See, at the bottom of layers panel you have this icon. This is mask icon. We have already used this in text example. We already used this. Okay, so you can apply mask in two ways. First we will see this menu way. Okay, just go to the layer menu, layer mask, reveal all. We'll start with reveal all. Okay, so if you apply reveal all, see, you can see one extra thumbnail. This is called thumbnail. This is image thumbnail. This is mask thumbnail. Okay, and to see the effect of mask, right now you are only able to see a white color thumbnail. So you are not able to see any effect of the mask. To see the effect of the mask, we have to use brush tool, or we can use gradient tool. Okay, we will start with brush tool. Okay, so I am going to select the brush tool, and we will select which brush? Soft round brush. Always select the soft round brush. Okay, and then see here, I told you what, black will hide areas, white will show areas. So if we want to paint, okay, we have to paint which color? Black, because already white is there, and if white thumbnail is there, everything will be visible. So I am keeping foreground color as black, and now I am going to paint with black color. And see, always check this, all these things. Here flow is 18%. Let's keep the flow to 100%. Okay, now we will start painting. See here. See what is happening now. See, we are actually, see, we are hiding all the extra parts by painting which color? Black color. Okay, so see, now this is one way of doing mask. So now I will show you another way. So what I will do is, I'm going to delete this mask. So how to delete the mask? Right click, delete layer mask. So now mask is gone. Okay, now another way of applying the mask. See, go to the layer mask. We will, this time I am going to apply hide all. Hide all. So first we have seen reveal all. Now we will see hide all. See, when you apply hide all, so you will see a black thumbnail. Previously you saw white thumbnail. Now we are seeing black thumbnail. Black means it's totally hidden. Nothing is visible now. Now to make it visible, we have to paint with which color? White. Okay, so I am keeping the foreground color as white, and now I am going to take a soft round brush, and then I will start painting. See here. See. Okay, see, and I can remove this unwanted area. So which color I have to use? Black. To hide black, to show white. See, See, now we got the impression that this girl is appearing from these clouds. See, so this is one use of mask. Okay, I will also tell you one more thing. See, you can also apply mask directly from layers panel. You don't have to go to this layer mask, and you don't have to go. That's a long procedure. So simple procedure is, see, if you want to apply normal Reveal mask, just select that layer and then click on this mask icon. See, now we have applied Reveal. This is Reveal. Okay, if Reveal all, you will get white thumbnail. Hide all, black thumbnail. Okay, so see. So then again you can remove like this by painting with black color. Okay, then I will do what I will do. I will now apply hide all. Always check your notes. So to apply hide all, see, Alt and click. See, hold Alt and click. See, this is hide all. Directly from layers panel. Okay, so which color again? White. See,
అమ్మాయి కలరే తక్కువ చేయాలంటే ఎట్లా, లైక్ బ్రైట్నెస్ తక్కువ చేయాలి, చాలా బ్రైట్నెస్ లో ఉంది.
that for that we have to use adjustments. So we have not started adjustments. Once we start adjustments, we can control the brightness of Ammai. Okay. Right. So this is one example. Okay. So now we'll see. We'll do some more examples with mask. Mask we can do lot of examples. Okay. We'll do some interesting examples. Okay. So let me close this. So I'm going to create a Terminator effect, or you can say Ghost Rider effect. Okay, using the mask. Okay. So how we can select, anybody can tell? Just if you want to select only the skull, we can simply use quick selection. Just click on this selection. Okay, so we have selected everything. So just okay, if you want to improve selection, you can improve, but okay, we can actually delete these areas. So what you can do is, we can actually take a quick selection only. Okay, so like this you can subtract these areas. Let's keep it. Okay, it will not be looking nice either. We'll remove. It is not looking nice. Let's keep it. Okay. So let us adjust it. Okay. Okay, so now see, I will tell you one new option here. Okay, so we have to adjust the skull with the face of that Gundu. Okay, so what we can do, see here, we can use this option. There is one option. What is that called? Warp. Okay. So this will be available only if you click the transform tool. Select the transform tool. Okay. So just click on the transform tool. Just click on the transform tool and click on that warp. So now warp is available, but we have to match the face of skull and that person. So we will reduce the opacity. See, something like. Okay. Now we will match. Okay. So see here, the eyes are here. See, just we can match it properly. Okay, so see, we have done matching. Face is now matched. Okay, eyes. So now we will increase the opacity here. Okay, see here, we have increased the opacity. So now what we will do is, see, I am going to apply mask to this. So I will apply idle mask. So how we can apply idle mask? See here, Alt and click here. So we are applying for this layer. Alt and click. So now we have applied idle mask. So now we have to paint. So we have to show as if that skull is coming out of the face. Okay. So take a brush. Okay, soft round brush. Okay, and then so what is the color? Black. Sorry, white. To show white, and we will start painting. So I will paint the eyes also. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so we can actually see, if you want to remove some areas, you can paint black. And then what you'll do is, see, I'm going to apply a blending mode here to make it more interesting. So let us apply some blending mode. See, you can apply multiply, or you will try to apply this luminosity. See, so you can create luminosity, and then what you'll do is, so if you want to see the eyes, so which color we have to paint actually?
Black.
See. And in case, see, if you don't want this much darkness, this much brightness, we will reduce the flow amount. See, it should be a little bit mild. The eyes should be little bit mild, like this. See. Okay, and we can do some more thing here. So what is that thing is, it should appear as if the skin is cut. Means we have to see the cut here, cuts. So for that we will do one thing. Instead of using normal soft round brush, I am going to use natural brush. Okay, we'll use natural brush. Okay. So where is a natural brush? We'll just come here. It is somewhere at the bottom. Here it is. See, this is the natural brush. Okay. So then see, we can actually, we'll use white color. Yeah. Okay, so like this I can paint it. So then what we'll do is, we'll apply a little bit inner shadow so that it looks as if the skin is coming out. So just double click on this, and then we'll apply a inner shadow. See here, there is some shadow here. Can you see? Just keep it normal. Increase the opacity. See here. See, there is a shadow here. You can reduce the opacity of that if you think it is too much. Okay. See, you can create some nice. You can use it as a photo manipulation, or something, and you can try to change the different blending modes. Okay, we can see We can check overlay if you want. We can check color dots. See, this one is also nice. Linear light, and we can check the multiply also. Multiply also we can check. So, but I think luminosity is nice, right?
Darken one.
Yeah.
Darken. Ado. Multiply.
Multiply is looking nice. We can use multiply, and then we can try to reduce the opacity if you want. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so see, something interesting you can create. See, okay, so this is like a, you can say, call it a Terminator effect or Ghost Rider. Okay, so I will give you one assignment on this. Okay, so let me give you one assignment. See, so what is the assignment is, see, all of you know this film, right? Terminator. Arnold Schwarzenegger's Terminator. Okay, see here. So if I select this Terminator skull, okay, so what you have to do is, see, you have to use this robotic Terminator skull on our Indian film stars. You have to take the pick of an Indian actor, anyone, Telugu actor or Hindi actor, and you have to create that kind of Terminator look. So let me type Terminator, I will tell you. Terminator on Arnold, like this. See here. You have to create something like this. Okay. This has to be some our Indian actor. Use a photo of Indian actor and create this type of Terminator look. This type of look.
Ronaldo.
So whatever, you can take this as a reference if you want. Okay. So this is your first assignment. So I will just put it in our WhatsApp. Okay. So something like this you have to create using our. So what is the topic actually? So use an Indian actor and create Terminator. Okay, Terminator look to him or her. Okay, I think heroines it will not be nice. Heroes only. Okay, Indian actor and create a Terminator look to him. Okay, so this is your first assignment. Now let us see the next interesting one. Okay, one more interesting thing I will tell you here. So this is the one thing that we can do with this mask. Okay. Second thing is we will do age morphing. Age morphing. What is age morphing? Age morphing means, so you can actually make a young person look like some old person, or old person, young person. Okay. So we will next see this example. Okay. Age morphing. So let me open the image. So we will also select the images of old persons. Okay. So when you are doing age morphing, we also need to have the images of old persons. So one person I have selected, another person, third person. Okay, just one more person I have to select. Just a minute. Okay, just will select one more person. I have old man person's pic actually. This one. Okay, so I have selected the pics of old persons. So this is a old man, this is one more old man, this is one more old man. But see, what I will be doing is I am going to take different areas. Okay, some face from this man and hair from this man, like that. Okay, and also some folds like that I will do. Okay, let us see how I am going to do that. Okay, so he is a young person, he must be something around 30 years. That's it, no?
22 ఉంటాడు సార్ 30 అయింది మరి
22, okay. Okay, let us make the 22 years person as a 80 years. So everybody has to grow old, no? Okay. So Control J. So I am going to take a duplicate. So I will not work on original, I will work on duplicate. So always make it a habit to do like that, because if original is spoiled, again you will not get back the original. Right. So what is the first step? Okay, see here. We have to first do the same thing that we have done with that skull. Adjust the face of old man with that of young man. So first I will pick one old man here. So this old man I am going to select. This man has lot of folds. Okay, so I will select, I am going to use a quick selection tool. Okay, so like this. So we will only select face. Okay, we don't need even ears also, we don't need. We will only select the face like this. So everybody knows now how to select. Right. So we can, if you want, you can give some small amount of feather. You can give, or it's okay if you don't give also. So just drag and keep it here. Okay. So we will adjust it and adjust it exactly like that skull. Okay. So one problem we are going to face here. What is the problem? See, first thing is the color is different. Okay, we have to do two things. We have to first match the face, eyes, nose, mouth, we have to match. Second, we have to match the color, because see here, this old man is little bit dark, this young man is bright. So we have to do some matching, color matching also. Okay, so how we can do that color matching? See, we have not yet started adjustments. In adjustments there are options to do color matching, but without using adjustments I will do color matching. How? By using blending modes. We already know blending modes. You have just now seen so many blending modes, but I will use a blending mode with which we can do color matching. Okay, first thing what you have to do is here, let us pick the skin color of this young man. How? Just click here and this eyedropper appears. With the eyedropper select a bright spot. So we will select a bright spot here. So this is a bright spot, and then just click OK. See, now the skin color is selected. See, here we have the skin color. Now we will do the color face matching. Okay, first we will do face matching. So just reduce the opacity here. Okay, see, and then use a warp tool. See, the eyes of old man are here. See, match the eyes of old man with that of young man. Okay, see, actually from the old man what we are going to select? Only the folds, wrinkles. Those things are the only things we are going to select. So something like this. Okay, so just we want to fold properly, that's it. Then we will just increase the opacity, and then what is the next thing we will do? Okay, so I am going to next do color matching. Okay, so for how you do color matching, see, observe carefully. Control and click on this thumbnail. So you are getting a selection. Okay, already the skin color is selected. Take a new layer and then fill the color with the selection active. Keep the selection active and fill the color. So how we can fill the color? Alt and backspace. So now we have filled the color. Okay, now see, I want to use a blending mode which will be closer to the skin color of that young man. We will not get exact matching, at least close nearby matching we will get. Okay, so we will see which color blending mode will match the skin color with that of young boy. See, multiply is too dark, it's not matching. Screen is too bright, it's not matching. See, we can select, see. So we have to select this contrast blend mode. Let us see overlay. Okay, overlay is too bright. So we'll see something like a hard mix. So see, these blending modes are too dark. So I think best one will be soft light. See, soft light is matching perfectly. So we will stick to the soft light blending mode. Okay. So then I am going to select these two layers and then what you do? Merge. Control E, merge. Okay, I have merged the two layers. So now face matching is over, color matching is over. Now what is the next step? Now we are going to apply hydal mask and we are going to paint. See here, we are going to apply hydal mask to this old man's layer. Okay, Alt and click on this mask icon. Okay, now let us use a soft round brush. Okay, and let us start near his cheek. See what we want? We only want that folds. That's it. We don't want anything else. So we should also have imagination along with the software skills. We should also have the imagination power. Means you should know how an old man looks. So I think if you have any grandparents in your house, you can look at their face. Okay, or at least maybe your father also must be in 60s now, so you can check their face also. Okay, and see here, I will start at this point, and which color we have to use, and let us increase the flow. We will use a white color. So I will reduce the opacity here. See, just reduce the opacity. See, reduce the opacity here, so that it will be a little bit better. So here also. So don't paint too much, okay? So here, and then we also need some this holes near eyes. So here we will remove. Oh, sorry. Okay. So for this also I will give you assignment. Okay, you have to do. Okay. 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 So first thing we have done. So still we have some more things to do. Okay. So that is, so see, we need eye bags. Old people all are having eye bags. You know what is eye bag? So this person has eye bags. So we have to create an eye bags also. So for that I will select this old person with selection. Okay, we only need his face, eyes actually. So that is why you don't have to select perfectly, just you drag it like this. again see the coloring is different. See his color is reddish color, his young man's color is some creamy color. So we have to again do two things, face match and color match. So just Control T. So first we will do, see we only need to match the eyes properly, that's it. So what I will do, Control T, and then we will select this warp tool, reduce the opacity. See warp tool will be active only with transform tool, okay, remember that. So just adjust the eyes, okay, we only need eyes.
సార్ పైకి పెడుతున్నాం సార్.
So see we only need eye bags here, we don't need eyes.
ఇవన్నీ బై బ్యాగ్స్ అంటున్నాను.
Yeah, okay, just click here and then increase the opacity, okay. So then what I will do, I will also do color match. So see color match is very important. So control and click, selection you got, take a new layer, select the color, alt and backspace, okay, and we all know which is the blending mode, which is soft light. So we'll select the soft light blend mode, okay, and then select these two layers, merge, Control E, merge. Now we will apply hydol mask, okay. Then I will select the brush tool, soft round brush, and then see we have to paint near eyes only, okay, we don't have to paint anywhere else, okay. So something like this, and don't paint completely, only paint a little bit, that's it. Okay, so the only little bit you paint, and then so we will reduce the opacity here. Don't keep too much opacity here, okay, because with too much opacity it will not look natural, okay. Now see, okay, now the next thing, see we will create the folds near his neck, okay. Even old people have folds on their neck also, so we will select the another old man, so this man, okay.
శరీరానికి పట్టుకోవచ్చు, శరీరానికి పట్టుకోవచ్చు, బాడీని పట్టుకోవచ్చు అంటున్నాను.
Yeah, so we'll just select, see I am selecting with what, polygon lasso tool, okay, like this. So you can give some feather, okay, and then just drag it like this. So here also we will do some warp, okay. We don't have to do color match here, no need of color matching, only we will adjust the this one, so like this we will adjust, okay, right. So then we will just click on the tick mark, and then we will apply a hydol mask, okay, hydol mask, and then we will just paint it here, okay. Don't paint completely, only to some extent you bend like this, okay, this much. Bottom we can erase like this, okay, and then we can actually reduce the opacity, little bit light opacity, okay, it should look like that. You can make it a little bit big, okay, okay, okay. So then what we'll do is, next step, see we will give some hair color. Say hair should be white, na, old people's hair will be white. So for that I have taken one more old man's image. So which one? This man, okay, this old man's hair I will select, okay. But before that I will tell you one keyboard shortcut. See here we have different layers now, different layers are there, and if you are trying to work on the same layer, trying to modify the same layers now, okay, so that's not a nice way actually. Okay, so what we will do is we have to minimize the number of layers. First rule is too many layers. If there are too many layers, we have to minimize the number of layers. Okay, just a minute. Okay, we have to minimize the number of layers if there are too many layers. So how we minimize normally? By merging layers. Okay, we use select all layers and merge layers. If you merge layers, normally what will happen? So the means if you will not be able to edit anything. It will become like a single layer, and then you just cannot do any more editing on that active layers. So we want these layers, okay, but we want to minimize the layers also. So what we can do is, instead of merging layers, we can create a common layer. We can create a common layer that is a merged layer. That will be a merged copy of existing layer. So what I am trying to say is, see, you have to remember this keyboard shortcut. See, just write down this point. Okay, to create a merged copy of all layers without merging layers, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus E. Okay, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus E. I also told you last class, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus T. That is to duplicate. This is
ఇప్పుడు ఏ లేయర్ క్యాన్ చేయవచ్చు కదా మళ్ళీ తీసుకోవాలంటే.
Yeah, means whatever layers are active, we will, if you use this shortcut, it will create a combined copy.
అవును సార్.
సరే సార్ ఓకే రైట్ బాయ్. ఓకే తర్వాత కాల్ చేస్తాం. Okay, so see here, I am going to take a, without merging layers, I am going to take a common layer. Control Alt Shift E. Okay. See, now this, we have not merged layers, but we have created a merged copy. Okay, now see, now we will be trying to paint white, create a white hair. Okay, so I will select this one. So what we'll do, see, I am going to use a polygon lasso tool. We will use polygon lasso tool. Okay, so we'll use polygon lasso tool to select. So see here, okay, so I have selected the hair. So if you want, you can give some small amount of feather. Okay, and then you will just simply drag it. Okay, right. So now we will adjust the hair on this young man. Okay, so we will use again, see, we will again use the warp tool. So transform tool I have activated. So just see, you see here, so see, we can actually adjust it properly. Okay, okay, so once we have adjusted it like this, so now we will see, we will improve it by using the mask options. Okay, just to make it a little bit here. So what you can do, just click the tick mark, and then see I am going to just apply hide all mask. All time click hide all mask, and then again what I will do, soft round brush, so I will use a white color. Okay, don't try to paint completely. Okay, okay. So remove the unwanted areas. Okay, right. Okay, so now just we have we'll take one more common layer. So we can take one more common layer, Control Alt Shift to E. Okay, one more common layer I have taken. Okay, next step is here. We will also convert his eyebrows to white color, and then we will also apply a mustache to it, white color mustache. Okay, first let me select the eyebrows. So we can select the eyebrows, take a new layer. See, I told you about pen tool, right? We can do selections with pen tool. So this time I will use pen tool. And when you are doing selections with pen tool, always keep the option as path. Okay. So now let us select the eyebrows. So something like this. So like this you have to select. Right. Okay. So now we have to convert the path to selection. Anybody can tell how to convert path to selection? Control enter. Okay, and we'll give some small amount of feather also. So we can say we'll give 7. Okay, and then see we will actually apply a white color. Okay, normal white color. So Alt and backspace, and we will actually reduce the opacity here, something like this. Okay, this much is okay. Okay, right. So now we will do the last and final thing, that is we are going to apply a mustache. So what is a mustache? Okay, me some. Okay, so I'll have to get one old man. Okay, I'll select this old man. This old man is having a mustache. Okay. Okay. So we will select we can use pen tool or polygon lasso tool. So we'll try to do it with pen tool only. See, actually I don't think we need a complete mustache. Okay, we need only one side of the mustache here. So we'll only take one-sided mustache here. So like this. Because the other side we can duplicate. Mustache, meesam. Okay. So control enter, and then we can give some small amount of feather also. Okay, and then we will just simply drag it like this. So we will adjust it properly here. Okay, so we can adjust. So again we will use a warp tool. See, it should be over his. So don't stretch it too much. Okay, it will appear artificial. So what we'll do is, first let me. See, we want two-sided mustache, right? So how we can create a two-sided mustache? Just take a duplicate of this. Okay, I have taken a duplicate. Just keep it like this. Take horizontal. Okay, so we will just merge these two layers. Okay, then we'll adjust it properly. Okay, so how we can adjust? So just Control D. Okay, so then what we'll do is, see, I am going to apply a hide all mask to this. Okay, just Alt and click hide all mask, and then we will use a brush tool. So which one? Soft round brush. Done. So we'll paint it. Okay. Okay. So in case you want to reduce the opacity of the mustache a little bit, you can slightly reduce. Slightly make it a little bit dim. Yeah. Right. So see here. Now last and final time we will take a common copy. Okay, Control Alt Shift E. A common copy I have taken, and then we will do some comparison. Okay. File, new. Then we will take a landscape. Okay, and then say I am going to drag the old man, and then I will drag the young man. See here. So see here. Now see, we have cropped it. Young, old, 30, 80. Son, father. So see here, and see, you have to save it as a JPG file. This is very important. Okay, young to old, like this you have to create. Okay, so here it is. Here is the final output, and you have to show me the JPG file. Okay. Okay, so the the next assignment. Your next assignment.
అవసరాన్ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి.
Okay, just here only one change. See, you have to select one young Indian actor. Select
సార్ కొడతారు సార్.
select young Indian actor. Okay,
ముందే ఫ్యాన్స్ అవుతారు ఈ మధ్య మన అంటే.
who is youngest means almost just
విజయ్ దేవరకొండ.
he is even Vijay Deverakonda is in 30s, I think.
నవీన్ పోల్శెట్టి.
Yeah, you can select young Indian actor and make him look like
దాన్ని ఉప్పల్ బాలు చేస్తాం సార్.
ఎవరమ్మా అతను కాస్త తెలిసిన వాళ్ళని చేయండి. ఓకే
సార్ ఫేమస్ సార్ ఉప్పల్ బాలు.
okay, so this is your second assignment. Okay, everybody has to do. Okay, it is mask is very important. Okay,
ఉప్పల్ బాలు లేకపోతే అగ్గిపుట్ట మచ్చ.
see one important thing I want to tell you. See, old people, how they look, old people actually okay. See, old people have less hair కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉంటుంది old people. That is also another important thing. For example, let us say if you are doing an actor, young actor, take for example Vijay Deverakonda you are doing. So we can actually, you will put the same hair. Normally you will put the same hair which is in his young age. But actually you have to make him a little bit bald. That will.
బాయిల్డ్ ఎట్లా చేస్తారు?
Okay, I will tell you. See, if you want to do bald, I will show you one idea. I will give you one idea here. Okay.
ప్యాస్టల్ వాడమంటారా ఏంటి?
Huh?
ప్యాస్టల్ వాడమంటారా?
So no. For example, let us try on this guy.
అంటే ఇది పాపం సార్ ఉన్న పిల్ల అనుకోరు కుదరలే. లొకేషన్ పిల్ల.
We will just select them. Okay, so Control Alt Shift I. Delete the background. Okay, so we have to what you have to do, see, let me remove the hair for example. So how we can see, just we will okay, so I have removed it. So then let us get this guy. So let us remove the background. Okay, so we can actually we can use his gundu. Okay,
టు అఖిల్ బాడీ గుండు. ఓకే. బ్లెండింగ్ మోడ్ యూజ్ చేసి దాన్ని కలర్ సెట్ చేసి
yeah. We have to do the skin matching. Okay, so just pick the skin color. Okay, so this color I have matched. Control and click, take a new layer, alt and backspace. Okay, and then we will match the color. How? Soft light. Okay, soft light is better. Again we will merge the two layers. Okay, so then we can arrange him. So how we can arrange? Okay, so we can reduce the opacity. Control T. So we can try properly here. So because we only want his this one, hey gundu. Okay, so then we will just click on the tick mark. See, but I am telling you, giving you ideas. Okay, see, not just creating gundu, we also have to that add hair, bald hair. That is also important. Okay, so just increase the opacity here, and then we can say, we can hide it. Okay, so then we can just see here, actually some black is there that we have to remove using clone stamp.
Clone stamp. లక్కీ నేను తిరుపతికి ఏం ఇచ్చేసాడు అంటే చూసిరంటూ కొంచెం సెట్ గా బ్లెండింగ్ కూడా వాడదాం.
Yeah, we can do. See, that is what. See, it's not completed. Okay, I'm just giving you idea.
బదులు తక్కువ చేయండి.
Okay, so then we can do one thing. See here.
ప్యాచ్ టూల్తో కలర్ చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చా?
Huh?
ప్యాచ్ టూల్తో ఆ గుండు కలర్ ఫేస్ కలర్ చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చా?
Patch tool. ఏం tool? See, I am not just putting gundu. I am also putting the bald hair. Bald hair. Idea is not just creating gundu here. Putting the bald hair. Patatala. Okay, that is our idea here. So means here just we got a gundu for because we don't want any area there. So then we have to get another hair, bald hair from some another person. And here one more thing we have to do is, see, try to make it a little bit small like this, using the, see, because head is not that much big, na? So like that. Okay, try to make it this much small. And now we have to add a bald head, a bald hair. How? So just we can get some bald hair from online. See, something like this. See here. This man is having very little hair, na? This is good. Others I am not able to find anything. Yeah, he came. So you can just select this. See, I am selecting with the snipping tool here. Snipping tool, normal snipping tool. You don't know? I think some of you know, huh? I will tell you now. This is not in Photoshop option. Outside windows, you just type snipping tool. You can select. Okay, bald. I will just type bald. Okay, we'll open this. So it means you have to check. Okay, it's not that it's completed. You have to check actually, because actually one problem here is, see, here this Achilles is facing to the left side. Here this image is straight facing the camera. So that is one problem we might get. So here it's facing camera and it is turned to the right, other one. So that one problem we might face actually. So like this you have to select, but okay, understood now? So we'll say 8, and then we'll try.
నా ఫ్రెండ్ ఉంది సార్ అఖిల మర్చిపోతుంది నాకు ఈ ఫోటో చూపించాను అఖిల
Okay, so one thing we'll do the matching. Okay, skin control and click. Just take a new layer and then alt and backspace. Okay, and then we will try to use a soft light. Okay, soft light is little bit closer to this, and see, actually there are other options like to match skin color in adjustments. Okay, but that I am not using those things. Okay, because we have not yet covered. Again, I have to tell you the basics of these things. Okay, so we can try other blending modes also. Okay, so something like this is nice now. This is looking nice, I think. Darken. Overlay is also better. Because inner burn is also okay. We can try actually. Okay, something like this. Okay. So means just I am giving you an idea, and then what you can do is you can take a common layer here, Control Alt Shift and E, common layer you can take, and then so you can use clone stamp. If you have this, you think that this seam is not looking realistic, so you can see how you can do that. Just you can use a clone stamp. Means I am giving you an idea actually. Okay, yeah. You think that same, see here. So actually we have this option. Okay, curves. This I am going to cover in that coming classes. Okay, so here we can actually match the coloring actually. Okay, see. So we can match the coloring of that hair. So let me do it. Let me actually delete this. Okay. I will be explaining you in detail that curves option in the in adjustments. Okay, in detail. But just for this example. Just for this example we will try. Okay, so here actually see that red color. Is it affecting? It's not affecting, huh? It's not affecting.
అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ చేశారు సార్
Yeah,
ప్రాపర్టీ సార్
just a minute.
ఇంగ్లీష్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ప్రాపర్టీ సార్
I think we'll merge these two layers first, okay? Then I will apply. So you don't use these things because I have not yet told you. Just I am trying to see match the skin coloring. Okay, let us see whether any skin color will be matched. See at the top.
కొంచెం ట్రై చేయండి కొంచెం ట్రై చేయొచ్చు
Okay, so slightly it is still it is there. You can use. Yeah, now it is perfect. See, now it is exactly perfect. Right? See here. Okay, so like this you can do the matching. Okay, and same thing if you want just you can apply a white color bald head for this guy.
అలా కొంచెం ఇట్లా టన్ చేయడానికి వస్తున్నారు అంటే హెయిర్ ఏమో స్ట్రైట్ ఉంది ఫేస్
టర్న్ చేయాలంటే మీరు వాట్ టూల్ తోటి ఇట్లా డిస్టార్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు లేకపోతే సి ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ సో లైక్ దిస్ యూ క్యాన్ యూజ్ దిస్ డిస్టార్ట్ ఆప్షన్ సి డిస్టార్ట్ okay, so you can make it like this. Okay, like this you can rotate. Okay, so everybody got the idea, na? So means if you are doing an old persons, remember that old persons have less hair. That is another important thing. Okay, so if you do like that, na, means with less hair, white hair, wrinkles, then you will get perfect realistic results. Okay, okay, right. Okay, so the next interesting thing I will tell you. Okay, so many examples are there in mask actually. So one more interesting example I will tell you. So for this I have also prepared notes. Okay,
చుట్టమా సార్ ఊపిరి పోటీ
ఎవరో నీలానే ఉంది కదా ఫేస్ ఇట్
లేదు సార్
Yeah.
బయట రాడు
Okay.
ఒప్పుకోను ఖండిస్తా
Okay, so see here, so what is the next interesting thing? So I am going to create a text to mask effect. This time I will use text and create a mask effect. Okay, so and I am going to take a vertical text, vertical. Okay, see, first condition is we will remove this background. See how to remove the background, anybody can tell? So just we will use this magic eraser. Just click here. So now the background is gone. Okay, so now we'll see what is the method.
సార్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తారు సార్
Adjust, next option is filters. After filters, adjustments.
నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్
Next after mask, filters.
ఓకే
Okay, after filters, adjustments. Okay, see this effect's name is text on side of the image. So what I want to tell you is, see, don't write all steps, only write the first 4 steps. Just you write down only first 4 steps. Okay, first 4 steps you write. After that I will open again, you write we will be writing the remaining steps. Okay.
Time here, sir. So time is called my phone one
Just okay, so I am going to take a text. Okay, so what text I will take? See, I will take vertical type tool, not horizontal, vertical. Okay, so I am going to just type something here. Okay, so we can just type. See, it is appearing vertically. It's not horizontal, vertical. So we can say anything. Okay, we can type. So we'll type something like say hero. Okay. Okay. So just this word I have typed, and now just let me increase the size. Control Shift greater than. Remember now? Control Shift greater than. And say if it is very slow now, so what you do best, you just put the value here. See. So I will type 100 here. Okay, and we will take a thick font. Arial black is better. We will take Arial black, so which is a thick font. Okay. Right. So exactly keep it at the center now. Keep it exactly at the center of this person. Now, what is the next thing we have to do is, see, I am going to erase, means remove half of his face. Half of his face I am going to erase. How? By using mask. Okay. So see here. Select this layer. Okay. Just apply normal reveal all mask. Just apply reveal all mask, and what you have to do, just take a brush. Which brush we have to use? Hard round brush. Okay, we will use hard round brush. Okay, and then I am going to remove half of his face. Okay, increase the size and use shift if you want exactly straight line. Okay, see, exactly straight I have removed, half of his face I have removed. So now the next step is, see, I have to get a selection for the text. I have to get selection for text. How to get selection for text? Control and click on this letter T. See, now the text is having a selection. Now we have to expand the selection. Increase the selection. How? See, simply go to select, modify and expand. Okay, see, we can use 7, 6 or 8. Okay, here value, just click OK. See, selection is now expanded. Okay, now what I am going to do is, I have to actually remove these areas inside the selection. Okay, so what you do is, you write down the remaining 4 points. Okay, just these 4 points you write down. Okay, so see, once the selection is active, see, what you do is, you have to keep the selection active and select this mask thumbnail. Select the mask thumbnail, take the brush erase inside the selection. Inside the selection. So with which color? Black color. See, we are removing the inside image which is inside the selection. Okay. Now what is the next step? See, next step is we will take a duplicate of this. Control J. So see, these steps are little bit confusing. You have to do it 2 times, 3 times. Only then you will understand. So then I am going to delete mask for this. Right click, delete layer mask. Okay, it's gone. Now what you have to do is, see, we have to create a mask for the top text layer. Okay, create a mask for top text layer. How? Control and click on that letter T and then apply mask. Okay, so then what is the next step? We have to remove the mask from this text layer and apply it to the bottom layer. How? Simply drag it like this, and we are moving the mask thumbnail to this layer, and then we will hide the text layer. That's it. See, we'll just take a new layer, keep it below everything, and then I will apply a white color. See, so this is a interesting text mask effect. Okay.
ఇక్కడ సార్ ఫేస్ మొత్తం పెట్టుకోవచ్చా ఇంకా ఫేస్ మొత్తం పెట్టాను హీరోలాగా అట్లా పెట్టండి ఫేస్ మొత్తం పెట్టేసాను ఒకసారి
Yeah, you can do, means text you have to, means నువ్వు ఎంత టెక్స్ట్ టైప్ చేస్తే అంత వస్తుంది. టెక్స్ట్ నీకు ఎంత రావాలంటే అంత పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, అండర్స్టూడ్ నా? సి, ఐ విల్ యాక్చువల్లీ క్విక్లీ టెల్ యూ దిస్ యూజింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇమేజ్. వీ విల్ యూజ్ దిస్. Just remove this. So I'm going to take, we'll just say bald. Okay,
బాక్స్
okay, we'll just keep it exactly. See, for this also I will give you one last assignment. Okay, because next class I will be checking all of your assignments. Okay, because the time is almost over. Okay, so what do you have to do now? So just we have to apply a mask to this. Select the brush tool, take hard round brush, remove half. Okay, you can remove half of this, then you can let us adjust it. Okay, keep it here. Then what is the next step? Control and click, increase the size, expand. Okay, and then keep the selection active, and then select the mask thumbnail, just paint inside this and remove the inside part. Then take a duplicate, delete layer mask. Okay, and then control and click on the T, this text layer, apply mask to this. Oh sorry, this one. Apply mask and just drag it below layer and then hide the mask. Okay, so this is the way to do. See, understood?
సార్ రికార్డింగ్ అయితే ఉంది కదా సార్
Yeah.
పక్క పెట్టండి సార్